We do have a tablet phone here that came in for repair. I'm not sure about the model of this tablet, but according to the owner explanation, the original battery busted and he was trying to do something with the idle battery. You can see these two wires. If I take out this, we have these two wires which were soldered plus and minus. And what he did, here we have another wire is here for plus and minus and the middle pin to identify the charging current. He put these wires vice versa, and from that moment the tablet died. So we have a dead tablet here. But let's confirm that the multimeter was on direct mode. Let's compare the plus and minus. I'm checking on the battery connector. Plus and minus is beeping 0. We have a short there. So the main 5 volts power line is shorted to ground. You see? Again, plus and minus. Plus and minus. Plus and minus. You hear it's beeping. That means we have short to ground. We have short to ground. That's what it means. So, what can be faulty? What can be faulty? Here. What can be faulty? It's very easy. We can come with the power supply. Minus, plus. Maybe you can see something with the thermal camera. What is that? Huh? Maybe you can't see here. What is that? You see on the thermal camera? Something is heating up here. Around the 84 degrees Celsius. It's pretty very hot. So what can be fault here? Oh, I think we have a problem here. We have a problem. Let's see what is taking the current here. Microscope. 1 second. Let's see. Let's see. We have the red wire on the B plus in the ground here. You see, it's beeping. It's not supposed to be like this. So what is taking that current is this chip, Mediatek. This is a BGA chip. I believe this is the power management chip. Based on the configuration, we have more ceramic capacitors around this chip. Let's check the capacitors. Let's check the capacitors around the chip. This is short. This is short. This is short. Even this is short. So I think we have a problem with this chip. I think that MT-6323GA. What kind of chip is this? Desktop. What kind of chip is this? MT-6323GA. MT-6323. This is some kind of power management chip. Windows O2G 3G smartphone baseband power management IC chip. I think that's the one. Okay. So this chip looks faulty, but let's see. Just to confirm this, let's see. Let's see. Alcohol. I'm coming with the power 5 volt, 5 volts, 2 amps. Check the chip. It's drying. The chip is faulty. So our problem, it is the chip. I don't want to waste time. Let's go straight to replace this chip. I'm sure I must be able to find out one. So let's see how we are replacing a BGA chip. Chip position like that. Let's replace that chip. 360. Let's see how hard to replace this chip. We've done it last time. I think we can do it again. The chip is out. What I want to do, I want to check for short on those capacitors again. Here. And the short is gone. So clearly that is our problem. Now, the next step is to come with hot air. Not with hot air, is to come with the soldering iron. We have to know the stages. Now we take out the chip. What is the next stage? Let's come with the soldering wire. Just like this. Let's try to come with our own just like this. Now, the second stage, we need to get rid of the solder balls from this board by using a soldering rig. Soldering rig. Let's try to get rid of all those balls. Because we must be in a position to replace this chip without any problem. We have to do it. We have to do it. That's fine. Now, we have taken out all the solder balls. Cleaning. Obviously, we have to work on a clean area. Now, we need another chip, which I believe we can get it from any boards. What do we have here? MT-65. Okay, I don't think that's the one. MT-63. I think that's the one. This one. Let's check out this chip. Let's check out this chip for replacement. And we have to remember the chip position is very important. Chip is out. Now, we have to solder the chip again. This is the last step, just to resolder the chip. The chip, we just finished soldering the chip. Do you think it's now working? Huh? The question is, do you think it's now working? Let's check for short on capacitors around this chip. All the capacitors looks fine. All the capacitors looks fine. Let's cool down the chip and test. Let's cool down this chip and test. Let's cool down the chip. Let's cool down the chip. Let's cool down the chip. Maybe we can do cleaning. It's not that moment to test to see if I was right or not. Because I don't understand why replacing BGA chips seems like it's a challenge to many technicians. Let's see now. That's the phone. We replace this chip with this one. Let me see. It's Mediatek MT-6323GA. That's the power management IC for this tablet. Now, where is that battery? Or we can check for short. What we did, plus and minus, and is not shorted anymore, as you can see. Let's see, maybe we can see something with this battery. Oh, the battery is smoking. I touched the plus and minus, exactly what the owner of this phone did. But here I'm safe because I was not connecting anything to the phone. So we need to connect this battery, but we have to be careful that nothing won't touch here. So I will insulate one wire here. I need an insulator. Maybe I can't get it. I need just something to insulate this wire so that bad things won't happen during the process of testing. Where's the cable? Yeah, that's the battery. ITEL battery on a Mobicel tablet. That's what they are doing here. We have to be lenient to each and every customer because people, they do have different source of income, different earnings. So you have to treat everyone the same. So plug in the charger. Check there. It's taking 45 milliamps. 430. Let's wait. It's now on volts. I see something. I see something there. Huh? And Mobicel. Oh. What's the story here? Huh? It's working. So that was the problem. The power management I see was faulty. I think I'll look for a proper battery. Because with this battery, you can't power on this phone. That is the fact. So we can't power on this phone with this battery. But at least you understand how you can fix a dead phone from diagonizing to the solution. Let me try maybe with a power supply. Can we win this? Let's try with the power supply. Maybe we can bring this on with the power supply. 2.3 amps. We don't want too much current. Yeah. And we don't want to short anything because we end up burning that chip again. On. It is on the tablet and it's taking 780 milliamps. Let's just wait. I'm sure the issue here, this battery is not right. It's trying to power on. Maybe because uh, yeah, we need a battery here. We need a battery. We need a battery. But at least we managed to bring back the this tablet back to life. Obviously, we can't put back this battery. That's some kind of dodgy things which was done by the owner of the phone. So I will look for a proper battery. We'll put it back. The biggest part, we managed to bring back the phone to life. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to beloved friends and relatives. And see you on the next one. Bye.